Hey guys, this is Kirp. Today I'm going to be showing you a brief demo of Reader for the Mac. Now this is an application, a very popular application for the iPad and the iPhone. If you actually look on my channel, you can actually see a video of it for the iPad. And it's a cool RSS reader, Google Reader client, and let's take a look at it. So let's see. This is the folder tab right here, so we're just taking a look at the basic user interface of this. Now it's actually a really good interface. So you have like all of your unread messages right over here, and then you can go into the folders, and you can actually open up the folders and dive down into them. Now if you look at the individual articles, you can take a look at a preview or whatever the RSS feed gives you. You also have a readability thing, so you can get the whole article in a like a trimmed down view. Now if you do a gesture, or you click on this, if you do a gesture on the magic mouse, that's what I'm using, do 2 fingers to the right, it'll actually load up the web page, and it actually preloads the web page in the background, so that's pretty nice. So there's no loading time when you decide to look at the whole thing. Now we can go back using the same thing. Here I have an RSS feed. Now also it has some cool sharing features, so you can copy the link, put a note, send it to these read it later services, save it to this. You can even post to Twitter right here, so post the article to Twitter or view it in your browser. You can set them as unread, read. You can star them, and then you can share them from over here. Now it also has the tab on the top, which lets you choose whether you're viewing the unread items, and then to the left you see all your starred items. And then if you go all the way to the right, or you just click like that, you can see all items, just like the UI or user interface in the iPad version. So as you can see here, just a better view at the folders in here. You can dive into them like that. So overall, I think this is a great way to view news. I actually use Reader on my iPad and on this, just to look at it. I used to use NetNewsWire for both of them. I used it on the Mac, obviously, for a little bit longer. But I really like Reader, and Reader is just a great user interface. It's great ported over. Now, also, before I go, let's take a look at this bottom bar. So right here is the reload thing. You can also press R to reload. So I just pressed R. As you can see right there, it has that, it gave us a 1, and now it has a new article. Also down here, you can have the icon have a 1 on it. If you go into the settings, you can add subscriptions or manage subscriptions. Those features aren't here yet. This is a beta. You can also mark all as read. So if we take a look at this and then we're done with it, or if we want all of them to be gone, you can also search for something. So if we go into our main thing and we look for Portal, you can take a look at some of the articles that you have about Portal. So let's take a look at some of the preferences really quickly. You can show a badge for the icon count or an icon. I have it on icon down here. Check for updates, all the gestures right here. Now this is mainly like some of the gestures. See, the magic mouse only supports swipe left and swipe right. So there, you need a trackpad to do the more advanced gestures. So yeah, I mean it syncs every 5 minutes for me, and it doesn't require that much CPU at all. I just leave it open, and I can see how many new articles I have down here. So overall, Reader is a great application. It's soon to be on the Mac App Store. Right now you can pick it up if you just Google Reader. Well, you know what I mean. Just search in Google for Reader, R-E-E-D-E-R, as you can see up there. And you can find the beta if you find the beta. That's what this is. It's almost out. It'll be in the Mac App Store soon. So, thanks for watching. Peace.